I wish you guys had one of these in your hand right now so you could just feel how rugged and durable this thing feels. It's lightweight. So this has 20,000 milliamp hour battery. It'll keep your power on the go. With this 65 watt output, you're gonna charge your tablets, your phones, even your laptops, all off of this device. With the 15 watt solar panel, you can stay completely off the grid. You can keep your battery pack charging with pass-through charging. That way you could be using this while you're charging it with the solar panel. I want you to feel how lightweight this solar panel is too. It weighs a little bit over a pound, that's it. Let's talk more about this solar panel. First and foremost, you can tell how small and compact it is, fits in any backpack. Here we have a nice little layout design. The battery pack fits right in here. You can just store your battery pack right there, zip it up. Keeps everything together. One of the unique features about this as well is look at this. It's not a proprietary cord. It's something that we're all familiar with at this point. It's a USB-C cable. That's like pretty much almost every phone, every tablet, even most laptops now. So if you don't want to use your battery bank, you just want to directly charge your devices from the sun, you can now use your 15 watt solar panel, go directly to your device. And let's say you have a USB-C end and a different charging cable right here. In this little fold out, there's a USB-C port there as well. So you can plug in your different cords if you need to. One of the great things, we have two snaps here that hold this together when it's folded, and it just folds right out. This is a monocrystalline solar panel, top of the line. It's lightweight, it's not going anywhere. The thing charges really awesome. And it even comes with a couple of little D-rings. So that way you can connect this to a backpack, a vehicle, whatever you need to hang that off of, hang it up in a tree if there's sunlight directed to it. We even went the extra mile. This thing is coated in a lightweight resin to help protect the solar panel itself, but it is ultralight, feels durable. The thing's amazing. I highly recommend to get this with your power bank.